Yeah. From the ends of the earth, Lord, I call to you. When my heart is overwhelmed, lift me up. Yeah. When my soul feels heavy and my mind feels weak, got battles in my chest, can barely even speak. Tears on my pillow, pain in my sleep. But your promises, Lord, are the ones I keep. From the ends of the earth, hear my cry tonight. When I'm losing all my strength, be my guiding light. Heart overwhelmed, got nowhere to run, so I look to the Father and not to the Son. You've been my refuge when the storm gets wild, held me together like a broken child. World throwing punches, trying to steal my peace, but your love speaks louder, all my fears decrease. Lead me to the rock that is higher than me. When I'm sinking low, set my spirit free. You're my shelter, my tower, my security. Every hour your power still covering me. Take me higher, higher, above the waves and fire. When the night gets cold, your love takes me higher. Take me higher, higher. My soul's one desire, safe beneath your wings. You're the one who lifts me high. I just wanna dwell where your presence stays, underneath your wings for the rest of my days. Not chasing fame, not running that race. If I got your mercy, I already got grace. You preserve my life, you sustain my crown. When the whole world shakes, you won't let me drown. Every vow I make, let my words stay true. Living every verse just to honor you. King forever, let your truth remain. Healing every wound, washing every stain. Got the testimony, I can't stay quiet. Your spirit in me started holy riots. Lead me to the rock that is higher than me. When I'm sinking low, set my spirit free. You're my shelter, my tower, my security. Every hour your power still covering me. Take me higher, higher, above the waves and fire. When the night gets cold, your love takes me higher. Take me higher, higher. My soul's one desire, safe beneath your wings. You're the one who lifts me higher. Hear my cry, oh God, attend unto my prayer. From the ends of the earth will I call unto you. When my heart is overwhelmed, lead me to the rock that is higher than I. Take me higher, above the waves and fire. No matter what I face, your hand will take me higher. Yeah. Psalm 61. When my heart is overwhelmed, I know where to run.